Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your power meter reads 0 or wrong watts on your Garmin Edge 540. To resolve this issue, we need to recalibrate the power sensor, and if your pedals are also from Garmin, I'm not sure if Garmin has any pedals in store, but if your pedals with the power sensor are from Garmin, most probably you will only need to do this on your Edge device. Otherwise, if your pedals are just like mine, so from a different company, in my case it's Fabrero and it's Seoma Pro RL pedals, then you will first need to recalibrate them on your smartphone using their application. So let me show you my smartphone right here. Okay, here we have the official application for these pedals, which is Fabrero Seoma. Now, first thing we need to do is reconnect with our power sensor, and the connection will be established once the cranks are rotated at least once. Now, one important thing as well is after you rotate your cranks, it's better to leave them in a vertical position so that one is facing 6 o'clock and the other one is facing 12 o'clock, so that we can calibrate them right away. Okay, so now we can connect with our pedals in this application. Let's do this. And now let's recalibrate them by going to settings, selecting calibration, and starting the calibration. Now, for the calibration to be properly made, your bicycle has to stand on a flat surface. Nothing should be touching your pedals. Nothing should be weighing your pedals, and they have to be in this vertical position. If you fulfill all these requirements, your calibration will be successful, and you'll be able to proceed to do the same thing on your Edge device. Okay, so let's grab our Edge mini computer. Let me quickly adjust the camera. Okay, and now here we're gonna have to select our power sensors, but before we get here, of course, we're gonna need to get now to this menu. So let's open the control center, go to options, scroll down to sensors, open sensors menu, and now let's select our power sensor and let's recalibrate it by selecting Calibrate. Then click Start. Then wait until the calibration is finished. Then click OK, and that's it. After that, your readings should return back to normal. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.